Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Scandifurn, a site that at first glance looks like a trendy digital department store filled with home decor, car gadgets, and bike accessories. It's basically a mix-and-match paradise for everyday stuff. But before you reach for your wallet, we need to talk about whether this place is actually legit or just a well-dressed trap. Let's walk through the evidence together and see if we can spot the cracks in the paint. First, we checked the domain registration and found that this site was born in March 2025. It's so new it still has that freshly coated scam smell, with absolutely no history or track record to speak of. While being new isn't a crime, it's about as trustworthy as a gas station sushi platter. This was our first major red flag, and things only got weirder from there. When we looked at the products, they certainly looked nice, but a quick reverse image search revealed the truth. Almost all the photos were shamelessly copied from other websites. If they can't even be bothered to take their own product photos, what makes you think they'll actually ship you a real item? Maybe they're selling minimalist decor where the product is so minimalist it never actually arrives at your house. The customer support situation is equally grim, offering nothing but a single email address. There's no phone number, no live chat, and zero social media presence to hold them accountable. If your order goes missing, you'll be left shouting into a digital void, waiting for a reply that's likely never coming. It's a great system if your business model involves ignoring people until they give up and go away. The About Us page is a masterclass in anonymity, featuring no names, no photos, and no actual story about the business. But the real comedy gold is in the reviews section. The site is plastered with glowing 5-star feedback dated 2023 and 2024, which is quite an achievement for a website that didn't exist until 2025. Apparently, their customer base consists entirely of time travelers, which is a very niche market to corner. Unsurprisingly, there's absolutely no mention of this store on Trustpilot or Reddit. Our final verdict is clear: stay far away from Scandifurn. With its stolen images, fake time-traveling reviews, and total lack of transparency, it's far safer to keep your money in your pocket. Thanks for watching, and if you want to avoid getting catfished by the next shiny website, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Stay safe and shop smart.